Hello guys, today we are going to start change in profit sharing ratio among existing partner. This chapter is the second part of second chapter. First part, valuation of goodwill, we have already done by using three methods: valuation of goodwill, average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. This is the second half of the second chapter, change in profit sharing ratio among existing partner. Before starting it, first you try to understand what is partnership. Now what is partnership? Partnership is a business relationship among two or more persons to share profit and loss of business, carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Mean when two or more than two persons runs a business together to share profit and loss of the business, it may be act by one or maybe all, that is called partnership. Now what is partnership agreement? What is partnership agreement? Partnership agreement, it defines the term of relationship, the terms of relationship among partners, that is called partnership agreement, जिसमें सारी terms and conditions are mentioned in written, in maybe oral, that is called partnership agreement. But now, if there is any change, if there is any change in agreement, there is a change in agreement among existing partner, जो पार्टनर कंटिन्यू फर्म को चला रहे हैं वो अब इसमें एग्रीमेंट में कुछ चेंज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द फर्म. When existing partner may change in their agreement, that is called reconstitution of the firm. Now, how can a firm reconstitute it? It may be there in a change in profit sharing ratio. एग्रीमेंट में फर्स्ट चेंज क्या आ सकता है? दे कैन चेंज देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. व्हेन देयर इज ए एडमिशन ऑफ ए न्यू पार्टनर, एडमिशन ऑफ ए पार्टनर, देन देयर विल बी ए चेंज. व्हेन देयर इज ए रिटायरमेंट ऑफ ए पार्टनर, then there will be a change when there is a death of a partner. Now first we will going to start change in profit sharing ratio. Now adjustment for change in प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. जब पार्टनर अपनी रेशियो को चेंज करते हैं तो हमें क्या क्या एडजस्टमेंट करनी पड़ती है. देन the very first we will calculate You determine the sacrificing ratio, sacrificing or gaining ratio. And the second one for adjustment of goodwill. And the third one is adjustment of reserve, accumulated profits and losses, accumulated profit and losses. And the next one, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. And the last one is adjustment of capital. If there is change in profit sharing ratio, we will make adjustment for sacrifice gaining ratio, goodwill, reserve, assets and liability, and capital. Today we will calculate how to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. Sacrificing ratio. Now what is sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is that ratio in which two or more than two partners sacrifice his share of profit in favor of other partners. When a one partner or maybe more than one partner can sacrifice his share in favor of other partners, that is called sacrificing ratio. Now what is the formula to calculate sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. Now the second one, gaining ratio. Now what is gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is that ratio in which two or more than two partners of the firm gain profit share, that is called gaining ratio. In sacrificing ratio, two or more than two partners sacrifice their ratio. In gaining ratio, two or more than two persons gain the profit sharing ratio in respect of other partners. What is the formula of calculate gaining ratio? Is new ratio minus old ratio. Now we will do a practical how to calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio. For example, there are two partners A and B. Ratio is 2:1, that is old ratio. Now they change their profit sharing ratio. New ratio is 1:1. Now we have to calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio. How will you calculate? Formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Now how will you calculate old ratio? A is 2/3, B is 1/3. New ratio is 1/2 is 1/2. Now what will be the LCM? 6, 4 minus 3, 1/6. Now there is 2 minus 3 minus 1/6. One is positive, one is negative. Now positive ratio is sacrificing ratio. And the negative sign means it is a gaining ratio. Now try to understand. Positive mean old ratio is more than new ratio. There is a positive sign, it means old ratio is more than new ratio. Negative sign means old ratio is less than new ratio. This is all about how to calculate sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Now the second one is adjustment of goodwill. Adjustment of goodwill. Now what is goodwill? Goodwill is the reputation of the firm, of the business. It is an intangible asset. It has not physically existed, but now and when there is a change in profit sharing ratio, adjustment of goodwill is transferred to partners' capital accounts. Now how will you calculate? Which partner is gaining, that will be debited. Gaining's partner's capital account. To sacrificing partner's capital account. Now we will take an example. Assume there is a two partner A and B. Old ratio is 4:1. New ratio is 3:2. Value of goodwill is 75,000. Now how will you adjust it? First we calculate sacrificing or gaining ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio 4/5 A, 1/5 B minus 3/5, 2/5. LCM is 5. 4 minus 3, 1/5. This is positive, it means sacrificing ratio. Now 5, 1 minus 2 minus 1/5, negative means it's gaining ratio. Now what will be the journal entry? Goodwill is 75,000. Sacrificing share 75,000 into 1/5 means 15,000. Now what will be the entry? A is sacrificing, B is gaining. So B has to compensate. B's capital account debited to A's capital account. Rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. That is the adjustment of goodwill at the time of there is change in profit sharing ratio. Now one more point is left related to goodwill. Already existing goodwill in the books. Already appears in the books goodwill, that goodwill is written off. How will you written off? When the partner's account will be debited. You can say partner A and B, two partners are there. What will be the entry? A's capital account, B's capital account to goodwill in their old ratio. This goodwill is distributed among all partners in old ratio. Old goodwill is written off just because the fresh valuation of goodwill is possible. That's why old goodwill is written off. Next 2 points we will continue in next lecture. Goodbye.